Hiya, welcome to my channel. I've got a Rover P6 under restoration. I couldn't really find much on the internet, and I thought what I might do is video it. I've just completed a Range Rover Classic. I'll give you a little video of that later if you're interested. Bought this P6 back last year and I was quite surprised how rotten it was. All the usual places as what you'll find on the internet, but hopefully I'm going to go into a little bit more detail of how things sit. So bear with me and I'll take you around to the offside and give you a little look, see what we're into. Okay, this little piece, often referred to as the hockey stick, just purely by the shape of the thing, it's gone at the bottom there, and if you look up on that wing gutter, starting to go, blowing all over the place. That's part of the inner wing starting to go. And over on the decker panel, she's really quite nice. No problems whatsoever. Just ignore all these bits of shrapnel and I'll explain them later. Saving them for reference really. So, just coming back to this wing gutter. Let's have a little look down there. Absolutely shot. So you've got to fabricate a bit for that. And we'll be changing that hockey stick as well. Oh, there's your front jacking point. And you can see they've welded down there and along there, but they've only put a plate over existing rusty metal. They've done a weld all the way across, put a plate in all the way across the top there, as you can see, and then coming down on the bottom edge you get to this point here. This is what I thought was new repair metal, and they've just gone over existing rust. So needless to say, look what's happening. It's just, you just push that, it's just absolutely crumbling away. So we're going to have to attend to that. I'd hate to think what's behind that mess there. And then just coming along we get to the B post, and again you can see that weld patch that they put across the bottom there. I wouldn't mind betting it's gone straight over existing rust, not cut any of it out at all. Come round here, look at that bloody mess there. What is going on? Stick your finger in there, really crusty. And this is the repair piece they put in, just shot already. That's just crazy, absolute crazy. As I say, it just does look as though it's been done recently. You'd think that was all spot perfect, but guess what, it ain't. Absolutely not. Okay, back end. That's not looking good, is it? She's quite rough in there. Oh, hello. That's not good. All the way up this inner wheel arch. Absolutely shot. There you go, that's the inside of the door catch. And that piece there, right in the middle, is the fiberglass repair that they've done. You just pick away at that. So the inside of the D post, absolutely missing. Gone. That's just coming down. Look at that, lovely, isn't it? but they've done that repair, put that patch on, but they put the patch on and not taken anything out from the inside. So we've got that. What do you think? Nice repair, don't you think? On that, nice little patch. Lovely. Lovely. And they forgot a bit there. Never mind. So driver's footwell to sort out. This rock goes right on past the seat, I might add, towards the back. I'll show you the back now. This is under the back seat. This is where they tell you to look. There you go. Absolutely right the way through to the floor, look. There's a bit of a mess down there. All full up with crud. Not good, is it? Not good, not good. Right, I'll take you round to the near side. I have made a start and I'll show you what we've done. Okay, back round to the near side front. That first little hole that I showed you on the other side for the hockey stick was about here somewhere. Well, guess what? We've had to chop a bit out because it just got worse and worse. A little bit of prodding, fingers through, came up all the way up to the top. There's your wing gutter. Well, used to be a gutter, chopped it out now. You can see I've already made a start on it. Same sort of thing on the other side. If you remember rightly, there was a bit of corrosion, so we just chopped it out. So this side, we're missing that hockey stick and half of the wing gutter, which we've got to work out how to do. Yeah, got a little bit of on that little corner to sort out, but the rest of it, it's pretty solid under there. I will clean up this undersill one day, but yeah. Same. Right, lost you for a minute. Back again. Yeah, bottom of the B post. Come round to this side. Show you. There we go. I've taken that end piece out, and all of this rubbish here. See how bad it is? It's horrendous. Absolutely horrendous. That's all coming out. All coming out. Right down to the front jacking point. There you go. You get a rough idea of what's what. Take that out. Oh, hello. Piece missing. I've already taken this piece out. That's the rear step. I think I've got that still here. Again, it wasn't bad condition. A bit scabby, but it didn't seem too bad. And then you take the seal out and you think, oh hello. There you go. So yeah, but these are easy to make. It's not the end of the world. I just show you this bit while I'm here. This is what came out from behind here, that bit. So that's what it was like. So that's basically the top of the panel I'm actually changing. Much clearer. Then you can see, where's this? It's pretty rough. I'm just going to turn it over. And there you go. So you can see there that how they've literally just gone over the existing rust with a plate. And if somebody can work out what that is, it's I'll try and dig that out. I'm curious to know, but it's something automotive. They're probably the suppliers of the metal, in fairness, but if anybody wants to own up to the welding, then yeah, comment below. Why not? So that's why we're taking it out. So that's gone for now. Rear jacking point. Oh my god. Yeah, that's all coming out. Yeah. Again, that the other end of this tube is attached to, again, what I call the inner sill panel. This bit I'm calling the outer sill panel, but if you look on the listings to go and order a new bit, it regards this as an inner piece. I'm not quite sure what that's all about. And then you've got your outer panel, which is the screw-in one that covers the whole shebang from the outside. I call the outer sill panel, but there you go. So I made a start. We've just taken some spot welding out, because we need to get in behind here to remove the rest of the what I call the outer sill panel. Goes in behind there, but all the bottom's shot. I can get new parts. You can get replacement sections that run across there, I believe, something like that, but lo and behold, at the moment, out of stock. It's a little bit irritating. Not sure how long it takes to get them, so I may have to change this D post. I'm presuming they call it a D post because it's shaped like a D, but okay. So rear wheel arch. So behind that D post, same as the other side. I have cut a lot of this out so far, as you can see, but that's what you'll be into. Rear chassis gone. Some nice holes here. So this being the main bit of the rear chassis, yeah, cut some right out of that old girl. And it goes up to that point there, and you've got the other side of this bit. There you go. That's the inside. We've made a couple of repair panels already. Excuse me, crashing and banging. Trying to sort you out at night. See what's going on. Yeah, so we've had to fabricate the chassis leg, both sides, and it's completely missing the floor section, as you can see. So that's supposed to be a box section, and then you come round and there's sort of another box section there, which is the wheel arch going up and over. Maybe you can see that. Looks worse than it actually is, but it's technically, we got the D-post just here. That's the inside of it, so that doesn't look too bad. All the way down. Trying to get you a good picture of it. Yeah. And then you've got what they call a stiffener piece, which I believe is this piece. All the way down there, that's stiffener. Again out of stock, I'm led to believe. That should be fairly straightforward making that bit. Yeah, and then you've got the inner part of the box section that goes up over the wheel arch. I'm just going to pan out until you get a rough, bit confusing. So this is where I had sort of trouble working out what was going on. But you get a rough idea of how it all sits. So there's a lot of chopping out been going on. There's not a lot left of it, but I've fabricated a few bits already down for this chassis leg. I'll show you in a second. And then we've got up here, we've got another cut out to do. Cut out the rot, just put a patch in. And then a bit further, you got the top of that, the wheel tub, if you like. Got to sort that out. And then again, this area here I thought was okay because it had the rubber seal on it. Let's just pan out a little bit. There you go. Again, corroded. This ain't too bad, not too bad, not too bad. Little hole there. Oh, hello. Little hole there to sort out. Into the boot. Let me get that jack handle out of the way. There you go. Yeah, it should be fairly straightforward. There's a bit more of the splash panel on the other side. I've got probably about half of it left. Half of it's missing. There's your mud flap hanging in the breeze. Well, this is the outer bit of the sill that I'm trying to get off. I've already made a start, done all the spot welds. Hopefully, if I got it right, a bit of jiggling, it should fall off. So we'll see. It's trying, most of it's off. A couple of bits hung up. Oh, hello. There you go. She's off. Well, that's it. So all this has come out nice. A nice solid bit of metal to weld to. All I've got to do is work out how to get that piece out there. I think it just goes in a straight line across. I've got it there, look, you can just about see the join. And then hopefully I'll get all this mess cut out. That's all part of it. So I've got that to sort out. That's gone now. Got to get in behind the B-post. Get the rest of the sill out. I don't think there's much holding that bit in at the moment. I'll have a little play around with it in a minute. And then we've got to extract the rest of the sill panel behind there. I can see myself taking off the D post just to make life easier, I think. But there you go. That's what we've been up to.